Actually did the whole shit though. Obviously we got to change a whole bunch of stuff. We got power in here. Ooh, 120,000 miles on it. Let's go. Joe Jay, welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy back at it again with another banger, you heard? So, I told y'all this was not over yet. Y'all seen that bumper back there? Y'all seen it? All right, y'all. So, I know in the last video, I told y'all we're gonna get this car running. But I explained what was going on with the vehicle, what was missing from it, what was all of that. So, your boy went and did the thing. I wasn't supposed to do that. That wasn't a plan. And I did talk about the Audi. That wasn't a plan. But we went and did it anyway. So, let me go ahead and walk over here and show y'all. So, we went ahead and got us another Audi. This bad boy. We just got it out the auction. The car did crash from the front completely. This is the engine that I have plans to pull in the other Audi, in the Audi A4. I was planning on doing that swap in the Audi A4. Now, I'm not sure because that is cracked. The whole bottom of the pan, bottom of the block is cracked in the front. Not sure if I can replace that or what it is, what I can do with it. Maybe find another one, a blown up one, and do what it do. Or buy another one, use this one for parts. And see, we did end up getting another Audi. So, man, I need to get a thumbnail real quick, y'all. So, stand right here with me. Stand right here. There you go. All right, so we got this Audi out of the auction. We paid, it was not that much. We got this bid for, I say, $600 plus the fee. Was somewhere around $1,100, actually $1,200, because the car was in the lot for a few days and they started charging another stupid ass fee. Copart contract extra got me fucked up, almost $70 worth of storage fee. Y'all got me bent, but everything we need was in the car, which is the ECU that we already took out to put in the Audi. Is back there already. All we need now is the BCM1 from over there, BCM2, the steering lock, and where the key thingy goes. Let me go and show y'all. And these keys right here, where the key goes. I'm pretty sure that's like the signal thing for the key, so we will replace it just to be safe, and we should be good. I did put the battery in this car, and it did light up. Actually, let me be childish and put it on, because I do have a battery here that we can test it out. As you can see, we do got power in the car. See, to service do, everything works. Even popping out the screen do work. So we good, y'all. We good. So we know that everything works. The only thing that's not gonna work, obviously, is the engine, because it's fried. That I know of. It might still work if we change the bottom or the crank. So, but we'll get to that eventually. Let me disconnect this. Cheers. Okay. There you go. You know, this car, for some reason, this one right here, for some reason had the brake, the parking brake light on, and the real ones was locked. That was the reason why the car wasn't moving in neutral or anywhere whenever I got the car. So I was wondering, I said, did they mess up the transmission or not? So I was a little scared, but I figured out what to do. So if you go in there, I don't think we can be able to see, but if you go in there behind the brake caliper, you got the little connection to it. You disconnect that from the harness, and you reverse the wire with a 12 volt 9 volt battery, and you should be able to retract the brake caliper from the parking brake, and it will reset that, and you'll be able to move the car. That's if you ever had that issue, but for the most part, we got, actually we was getting power in there, so that's a good thing. We do have the ECU already in here, and then we're going to go ahead and get the PCM in a moment from that car, put it in here, see if we get any power on the dash. Hopefully we do, and we're gonna start switching stuff from there. So without further ado, man, let's go get this so we can get this out the way. BCM is on. I'm hoping to get any kind of like light on the dash. I'm not sure. We might not get anything, but we actually did. Oh shit, those. Obviously, we got to change a whole bunch of stuff. We got power in here. Ooh, 120,000 miles on it. Let's go. We got that out the way. We got power, boys. We're gonna put this thing on park. And we got light, baby. We got light. Let's get it. So we went ahead and cleaned it up after I put the, after y'all seen the light up, we got power in there. Not sure if we're gonna be able to continue because I do have to wait on some money to, so we can get somebody to come out here and make us a key for the Audi. Bumper, everything's cleaned up. I mean, it looks amazing, I'm not gonna lie. So car just super clean. So I might end the video right here. Actually I am, because I still gotta wait Laxmi to make the key for the car though, because we don't have no break right now, but we have to wait on selling one of the vehicles I have outside. Once that's sold, we're gonna go get the key and get the review for the car to have it on and all of that good stuff, man. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and y'all already know what time it is, man. I'll see you on the next one.